Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura and you're watching Thursday Threads. I have been having way too much fun with this Buzz Saw block, and I got to playing around with patterns, positions, colors, and ways to cut. So don't go away. I'm going to show you a couple more tricks. I've been having a lot of fun playing with this block. Different colors, different angles. Really pleased with some of the things I came up with. If this is your first time watching, please be sure to click that subscribe button, change that from red to gray, and click the bell so you get notified when we have new videos up. We're so glad you joined us. So one thing I noticed I had when I was squaring my block, and then when I went to cut it, I always cut it with the angle going left to right. But you're going to get a different look based upon the angle. So let's cut this one. Again, we were cutting them in 2 1/4 inch increments because this is a 9-inch block. 9 divided by 4 is 2 1/4. So I'm going from left to right. I'm going bottom to top. And that's going to go here. In there. And there, and there, which is what we had last time. Okay, but what if we switch it around? Instead of cutting it this way, let's cut it from top to bottom, going from left to right. Again, 2 1/4 inches. So that's over there. And there. So now you can compare these. So, depending upon how you lay out your half square triangle, it's going to determine how your block looks. Makes sense, right? So, I was playing around. I haven't put these together yet, but I was playing around. I am actually going to pin these together so I don't forget what they all go together. Because when we get to the end and I show you some different color combinations and different ways of placing it, I really like those together. But by changing my angle a little bit, I can make a mountain. And then if I wanted to, I could make a block that look like that. So that is one option. And I actually think that would be really neat to see in a big picture. So that's one option with using 2 different ways to angle. So I've got it going this way, and I've got this one going that way. So definitely play around with the angles, play around with the color placements. And I did one with the white. You may decide you want to do like that. And then just keep the pattern going. Or, let's try this one out. I decided to go with some blues and oranges, a pink. All right, well, let's do this. Okay, so I've got that one. Ah, here we go. Very southwestern looking, I thought. And then let's see what else we can do here. There. There. Very southwestern, very Aztec-y. So there's an idea. Or, what if we did the brown in the center? Which, of course, if you continue to block on, it would still continue out. But you could play with this in so many ways and have so many different designs. So play with your colors, play with your patterns. I said this is a very southwestern look, using more plain colors. I think burnt reds. Maybe yellows, browns, creams, whatever color you want to. This could really work out well. And then I was also playing, I made were these like this. The way I had them in the last video, all this directionally the same way. And I found that I really liked this one. We're just going to kind of put them together. I haven't finished this one up yet, but I think I want to. Like I said, this buzz saw really has a lot of options. You could make these up. They can be scrappy. They can be the same colors. Depending on which way you turn them, what you get. You can make the regular buzz saw, or you can play around with it a little bit. But I was kind of excited, so I wanted to share that with you. Different ways to use this pattern to get different looks. Well, I hope you've been inspired a little bit, and I hope this has taken some of the fear out, especially if you're a beginner sewist, if you're a beginner quilter. You may be a little afraid and thinking, oh, I've got to follow the rules, I've got to follow the book, I can't make up my own patterns. Yeah, you can. Just twist things around. It's your quilt. You make it the way you want it. And don't worry if you're not perfect. That's all right. Think about baseball players. Do they hit the ball every single time? No. Do football players make touchdowns every single time? No. So you may not get your point every single time, and that's all right. Most important thing is you have fun. Don't get discouraged. And please be sure to come back to join us right here on Crazy Dave's Crew. I hope you're having a great day. We'll see you next time.